Very. Today I am going to teach you for class 10th, unit 4, chapter from the diary of Anne Frank. In previous classes, I have already taught you about this chapter. Today I continue my lecture, so please listen carefully and try to understand. Dearest Kitty, our entire class is quacking in its boots. The reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teacher decided who will move up to the next form and who will be kept back. Half the class is making bets. GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us. CN and Jax, who have stacked their entire holiday saving on their bed. From morning to night, it is you are going to pass. No, I am not. Yes, you are. No, I am not. Even G is pleading glances, and my angry outbursts cannot calm them down. If you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. But teachers are the most unpredictable creature on earth. Through these lines, she describes about her classroom when school opens after vacation, the period of result announcing. She describes all things in her diary, Kitty. Kitty is the name of her diary. Our entire class is quaking in its boots. Quaking in its boots means shaking with fear and nervousness. The reason, of course, is the forthcoming meeting in which the teachers decide who will move up to the next and who will be kept back. Today today is the period of deciding students who will move up to the next class or who will be kept back. Half the class is making bets. GN and I laugh ourselves silly at the two boys behind us. GN and I both are laughed to see the two boys sitting behind us, CN and Jax, who have stacked their entire holiday saving on their beds. Students are busy to bet who get first, who move in the second class, or who back in the previous class. These are the time of bet. Someone says, from morning to night, it is you are going to pass and I am not. All are in fear to say who pass for the next class or who is not. Yes, you are. No, I am. Even she is pleading gallants, and my angry outburst cannot calm them down. They are not very peace. They became in very exciting mood. So in that time, my angry became brushed. If you ask me, there are so many dummies that about a quarter of the class should be kept back. But teachers are the most unpredictable creature on the earth. Teachers are the most unpredictable creature in the sense of students. So She describes about her feelings in the classroom when result is announced to move second class, next class. I am not so worried about my girlfriends and myself. We will make it. The only subject I am sure about is math. Anyway, all we can do is wait. Until then, we keep tell each other not to lose heart. I am also busy to talk my girlfriends, and they all are in very suspicion, and they said they expressed their feelings. I am not sure about in maths, and other console her until they keep telling each other not to lose heart. The all students are busy to console each other. I get along pretty well with all my teachers. There are 9 of them, 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Casing, the old foggy who teaches maths, was annoyed with me for ages because I talk so much. In my school, there are 9 teachers, 7 men and 2 women. Mr. Casey was a math teacher, and and he was annoyed with me for ages because I talked so much. After several warnings, she assigned me extra homework and essay on the subject, a chatterbox, a chatterbox. What can you write about that? I had worried about that later. I decided. I jotted down the title in my notebook, tucked it in my bag, and tried to keep quiet. My teacher, my teacher always annoyed to me, and he gave me essay on the subject, a chatterbox, and he always said to me, what you write about this topic. That evening, after I had finished the rest of my homework, the note about the essay caught my eye. I began thinking about the subject while chewing the tip of my fountain pen. Anyone could ramble on and leave big spaces between the words. But the trick was to come up with convincing argument to prove the necessity of talking. I thought, and suddenly I had an idea. I wrote the 3 pages Mr. Kessing had assigned me and was satisfied and argued that talking is a student's trait and that I would do my best to keep it under control. When I was on the home and I tried to understand the topic, a chatterbox. So it is very difficult to me how I write an essay on that topic. I thinking along and my thinking is going on, and I try to understand the the meaning of this topic. After some times I understand and I write down 3 pages on this topic. When I was in the class, my math teacher, Mr. Kesin, assigned me and saw my writing, and he was very pleased and he was very satisfied of my writing. And I argued that talking is a student's trait and that I would do my best to keep it under control. And see, I argued my math teacher, Mr. Casey, talking is the student's nature. So but I I try to keep it under control. But that I would never be able to cure myself to the habit since my mother talked as much as I did, if not more, and that there's not much you can do about inherited traits. And I also describes about my mother. This habit of talking is comes from my mother, so it is very difficult to remove it. It is my genetic problem, but I try to control my control. I try to under control, but it is my inherited uh, traits. So it is very difficult to me how to control. These are the expressions of Anne Frank. Anne Frank describes about all his experiences in in her life to write down in her diary. In previous classes, I have already told you about the diary. Diary is the personal documents of any individual. In the diary, any individual describes about himself. So Anne Frank also describes about herself in her diary. So he describes all things passed away in her life, about her parents, about her sister, about her grandmother, about her school, about her result, about her bad habit. All things are described by the Anne in very clearly. Today, I want to stop my lecture and I suggest all the students to go through the book and try to understand. If you feel any problem, then you ask me and I try to solve your problem. I will continue my lecture in next class. So today I stop. Thanks.